Sonia Sanchez here. Welcome to The Sonia Show. In today's top story, a police officer used a public bus to transfer a prisoner. Little did she know, the bus was full of hardened brigades, putting her life, as well as the prisoners, in danger. Thankfully, the officer managed to escape. Though shaken, she is recovering and will soon be back out on the road. The brigades. Now they're starting to take over our public transportation? That's why we need 10 more years of TIRAC, to make sure this doesn't happen. Well, you may have heard the rumors that a teen fled our country using abandoned tunnels running under the wall. The story is false. I was told this by no other than our great leader himself. No tunnels like this exist, said TIRAC. He even joked that if they did, he'd use them to avoid the traffic jams at the border. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks like TIRAC is still the preferred candidate. In a nutshell, voting for Flores equals voting for violence. Don't vote for violence. Vote for TIRAC. As you know, The Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's Missing Teen Report. Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia hotline. And that has been The Sonia Show.
Well, maybe we don't have to wear the outfits all the time.
Crazy talk, Mitch. Now, shh. It's almost...
You hear that? Ugh! That's not the creep after Sonia, is it?
Nope. Kane ain't nothing but a hitchhiker. Tie him up. Told you he wasn't dead.
You were right. Guess I owe you 5 big ones. I don't have it on me right now. But I will as soon as we rob the kid. This is Stan and I's hideout. Pretty nice, don't you think?
Shut up, Mitch. Give us all your money, kid, now!
Yeah, all your money.
In case you didn't notice, we're the ones giving the orders.
Maybe I'll have to show him the beast.
Whoa, you hear that? The beast. Now search him, Mitch.
Well, looky here.
How much we talking about?
Not enough to quit the game, Stan.
No amount could ever make us quit the game, Mitch. It'd be nice to rob someone actually rich once.
Sure would, Stan.
Mitch, this kid is starting to hurt my ears. Show in the beast.
With pleasure.
Now come on, we got work to do on our investigation. Sweet Sonia's life hangs in the balance. I feel like I'm going crazy, Mitch.
Yeah, me too.
And if we don't crack this soon, it'll be too late.
Quiet, little buddy. Do I have to show you the beast again?
Yeah, shut your trap. Let the grown-ups think in peace. Kid, someone wants to end Sonia's life. The famous reporter?
Yeah, we doubt that you could help us.
Ah, hell, Mitch. Maybe I'm crazy, but maybe he can help.
Yeah, I mean, what do we have to lose here?
Pick him up. We'll make you a deal, kid. Help us, and you'll get your money back. So we're trying to find out when the killer's gonna attack. We got some of his letters and things right here. When he's gonna attack is somewhere in them. We just know it is.
Today marks the anniversary of Lola's death. In exactly 2 years, I will take my revenge.
Do we know when that was recorded, Stan?
Yeah, sometime in 1994.
So,
He had this letter in his journal. I guess his daughter was fond of reptiles.
that guy's seriously disturbed, Stan. If anything happens to Sweet Sonia, I might just go crazy! He says he's gonna act on his kid's birthday.
Oh, that's it! It all makes sense now! You're a genius!
Deepest apologies I showed you the beast earlier. I don't know what I was thinking.
We still need to figure out what this guy looks like.
And where the attack is gonna happen. But, you know, now we're making progress.
Yeah, we are. Here's your cash, kid. It's best to honor one's promises. Stan and Mitch rules. The ladder near the TV. Just climb it. Now get.
But, before you go, maybe you want to ask us something?
Unfortunately, due to our priors, this is an impossibility.
Yeah, if you got a criminal record, you can't vote, kid.
But what about you?
That's nice.
Stan and Mitch!
get much further, I should let you know that I have some anger management issues. Now you know. So, where are we headed today with Happy Taxi? No, it's not on my way, but I'll drop you a ways up here before I turn. You could pay a small fare, too. You'd have time for a snooze then. Much appreciated. Now sit back and enjoy your ride with Happy Taxi. Let's see who's contacting me now. The Sonya Show! How did they get this number? Just a second. Damn! Piece of no good son of a... I'm feeling much better now. Go on and ask me a question if you want to. I know all kinds of things. You could say I'm not a fan. I saw you looking at my mechs. Are you a fan of dinosaurs? I won't get angry if you aren't. Good. Speaking of dinos, have you seen this movie that came out? Gigantic Park. I don't know if I believe you. Hey. Lean forward. I want to show you something. That's a portable VCR. Now I can watch tapes whenever I want. When GP comes out on VHS in Petria, I'll watch it every day. My daughter would have loved Gigantic Park. But she passed away. Lola. But I'll make it right. And in the meantime, I won't think about that terrible thing that happened to her. I'd become very angry if I did. No. You should take a snooze. You're a teen and your brain is still developing. Engine trouble. Happens a lot. Sorry about that. We've almost reached your destination. I hope you'll consider riding with Happy Taxi again.
Hey, over here. Help me. Don't let them see you. The cops. They transferred me out of you know where. My dad must have found out where I was. Get the van keys from the cops. But you'll need to distract them somehow. Then come back here. Thank you.
What do you want, kid? I most definitely am not. These protesters. Wish there was some way we could just ship them out. What's going on?
Hello? Does anyone copy? Where'd that kid get to? That kid did this.
He can't be far. I'll check behind the station.
You got the keys. The keys for the hand. Come on. Get ready to run.
Stop! Hand where I can see him!
I didn't mean for this to happen. You gotta believe me. This country is so messed up. I'll go back to my father. I'll get my dad to save you. I'll say, I don't know what I'll say. Look, maybe you should rest. You'll feel better. Just try to get some sleep. And when you wake up, I'll know what to do. Okay? You hear that?
Ignorant, help!
Oh, they're gone. But they'll be back. And with friends.
Lucky we intercepted their comms.
Check the van. The girl must be inside.
Please, don't hurt us.
Got a second kid in here! The less you know, the better. You can. But Zoe, you should come with us.
Wait, how do you know my name? Did my father send you?
Definitely not. We'll explain later, but right now, you and the kid have to split up.
You risk your life for... Yeah, maybe.
Zoe, we have to go.
I hope I get to see you again.
Okay, we all know the plan, right?
Yes. Totally. Let's do this. Guys, is it me? Or is that kid over there listening to us?
Where is he, Sonia? It's almost time.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I insulted him one time too many.
Look, find someone to film this, and now! You know how important this is to it.
Where am I gonna find a loser to... Hey, you there! It's your lucky day. Sonia has a job for you. Perfect! Then you're my new camera operator. Now get behind the camera. Time to make some effing magic. This is just a little puff piece on the pub, Cuddle Muffin. Nothing to it. We have a sec if you want to, talk to me. Get my take on something important. Well, you can't deny they killed hundreds in '86. Yeah, the world is more complicated than you think, sugar. Okay, let's go. We'll start with the intro. Oh, this is good with the billboard behind me. How do I look? Wait, I know. Amazing. Yeah, just like that. Don't zoom like that. Now, where was I? 3, 2, 1. Sonia here, reporting live from the site of Petria's newest oil pump, where the Minister of Oil is moments away from a speech. The new pump, a gift from President Tyrak, will soon bring riches to our already rich nation. And cut. I'm gonna be honest with you. You're the worst camera person in the history of camera persons. Okay, sweetums. Now we film the minister. Get the crowd to cheer when he talks about President Tyrak. And boo when he talks about Senator Flores. Got it? That's what I like to hear, Chunky Wonky. Okay, he's approaching the podium. Film him.
Hello, good citizens. We're here to celebrate the opening of this pump.
Don't forget to take some close-ups.
And what a beautiful and strong pump it is. Like our nation, like our president. Speaking of our president, let us cheer him to show our appreciation.
What are you doing?
Flores believes we should abandon fossil fuels and take away your jobs. What do you, the hard-working people of Petria, think of Lupe Flores? What?
Don't you F with my career, Dumpling.
There's been a lot of talk of a brigade uprising. But am I worried? No. I've even let my teen daughter embark on a road trip. President Tyrak will keep our nation safe. Praise President Tyrak! Excuse me?
Stop that, kid!
With that said, who you...
Tyrak is a liar! Teens are being imprisoned every day!
Tyrak is a fascist dictator!
Vote for Flores! Save our country!
Stop them! Now!
Run!
I'm here, Sonia.
Oh, shut up, Adam.
Stop! Help me!
Oh no, we definitely don't do stories like that. Well, it's about time to drive off in my limo, like all good journalists do when they finish a story. Look, to sum it up, you sucked with the intro. But I had faith. I was once a poor dirty teen myself. But then you completely effed up filming The Minister. And that almost got Sonia fired. Bad, teen, bad. Guess what I'm trying to say is, hope I never see you again? Adam, let's roll!
Quit, will it, young blood? Found my tapes, huh? Each one comes with a ton of memories. Yeah, a lot of long nights on the road. That's the life I signed up for. Be lying if I said no. But let's talk about something else. You start, okay? Well, it started for a good reason. But now, I'm afraid things are getting too radical. What do you think? We didn't do everything the government said we did, believe me. This old line's tired. Oh, I'll be okay. My acupuncturist says I got large chi reserves below my spine. Well, I'll just tap into those and... Good to go. Thank you, but you should rest. Need your energy on the road. Go on, young lion. Ain't got all my fingers, but you're in good hands. Well, it is kind of a big deal. We almost died, you know. But you gotta get this cargo somewhere fast. Yes, sir. A lot of people relying on me. You need to be covered in hair head to toe to drive Mr. Grizzly. Only one solution. You gotta make me an Omen Vitality. Get in the back. I'll explain. Sorry about the mess. I'm not the cleanest hombre. That's Connie, young blood. Beautiful, isn't she? Mind putting that back? That's a real valuable object. Pains me to say this, but Connie's no longer with us. She passed away 10 years ago, when the peak collapsed. That's how I lost these fingers, trying to get to her under the fallen rocks. But the truth is, I'd have given my whole arm, my whole life to save her. She was the wind in my sails, and I'll miss her for the rest of my days. Now I really need that drink. Gonna look for some hard rock. Time to dispel the darkness. Check for the beans at the bottom. Ginseng should be somewhere back there. Hell yeah! Good too! Woo! So strong! Damn! Hey, my drink almost ready? Vitality! Go on, sip, young lion. We'll put hair on your mane. I knew you'd like it. Keep the recipe. It'll come in handy. Now, time to put the pedal to the metal. Welcome to ride with me further if you want. Your choice. Okay then, here we go. Woo! Snacks
What
and
are
drinks?
you doing here alone?
Can I help you at all?
Don't be one of those kids sneaking into a truck. Believe me, you'll never make it. Now be careful out there. You hear? Yeah. Why? Huh. Way too risky. I promised myself I wouldn't do this again. Get in the back and be quiet. Hurry.
Security checkpoint. Yeah, a little further. Stop.
What's that you got there?
It's a movement detector.
Oh, you don't need that. I'm not hiding.
Then you got nothing to worry about. Picking up something inside. Hiding a teen, huh?
No, of course not.
Send in the dog.
What is it, girl?
It's all clear. Nothing but boxes. Pull up to the last checkpoint. Fine. Stop. Breathing scanner. Impossible to beat. Unbelievable. Starting the scanner now. You're free to cross. Come right back after you're delivered. Understand? To our warm and welcoming country, I'd be a fool not to.
Freedom. Nothing is more important, but there are many others in Petra still looking for it. And their journeys have only just begun.